Almost 1/4 of people deal with foot pain at some point. Nagging foot pain can make it challenging to enjoy activities, hobbies, and spending time with loved ones. Heel spurs are one cause of foot pain that can be indicative of other foot problems such as plantar fasciitis. Often your footwear is the culprit. The good news is that finding the best shoes for heel spurs can make more of a difference than you may think. With the right shoes designed with your foot and heel pain in mind, you can expect to start enjoying all the activities you've been missing. To help you find the right shoes for you, I've put together a complete guide on finding the best shoes for heel spurs. The first shoe on our list is called Coral. The Coral Stretch Knit Women's Shoe is an ideal choice if you deal with painful heel spurs. Premium orthotic soles and an adjustable arch support can help improve heel pain, bone spurs, plantar fasciitis, and more. The Coral shoe is available in 4 different widths from narrow to extra wide. The unique design allows you to easily remove the orthotic insole if needed, and the arch booster technology helps enhance support for someone who wants extra. An added heel cushion ensures that you can manage your heel spur pain while staying active. The knitted fabric upper comfortably fits any foot and is perfect for additional conditions such as bunions, hammer toes, and swelling. The mild rocker sole and rubber outsole means you'll be able to tackle anything from running and walking to casually strolling with little effort and lots of confidence. By the way, all the shoes mentioned in this video are going to have a direct link to learn more about them in the description of this video. The next shoe on our list is called Laguna. In the sandal category, the Laguna closed-toe sandals feature a back strap that keeps your heel in place and prevents it from slipping, making walking more comfortable, especially if you have heel spurs. As the insoles also prevent the feet from rolling inwards, they are great for people who need to ease pain on the heel, foot, knees, hips, and lower back. Their cushioning ergonomic sole provides a mild rocker effect as you walk, leading to reduced pressure on the heel and feet, and as an added bonus, it also means that each step you take requires less effort and energy. The cushioning sole also has extra padding in the heel area, which means you will feel like you're walking on a soft, fluffy cloud with minimal impact on the heel. In addition, the soft, cushioned rubber outsole provides extra grip and even greater support. The orthotic insole provides anatomical arch support and is also removable, so you can insert your own custom orthotics if you need to. The microfiber and fabric upper make this sandal refreshingly breathable as well as accommodative for many forefoot conditions. The white toe box is perfect for wider feet, while the rubber outsole with advanced grip makes sure the wearer has superior stability. The Laguna sandals are available in gray and light blue. The third shoe on our list is called Delta. If you love hiking, heel pain can turn your favorite activity into a painful or inconvenient experience. For most hikers, not going on hikes is simply not an option, even if they suffer from foot issues, which means the best solution is shoes that can help you enjoy hiking without that nagging heel pain. That's exactly what you get with the Delta waterproof hiking boots, designed with biomechanical and therapeutic features. The orthotic insole with its extra heel cushioning, together with its removable anatomical arch support feature, is designed to support and protect the heel and alleviate heel and foot pain, including plantar fasciitis. The arch support prevents walking abnormalities by aligning the ankle with the knees and the hip, and this decreases the overall pressure on the foot. The soles are ergonomically designed to significantly lower impact on the heel. It makes such a difference you won't believe how much softer it will feel to walk. If you need extra support, you can add the arch booster under the orthotic insoles, which will reduce the pressure at heel and ball of foot even further. The rubber outsole and tread design provide extra grip for full stability even on wet surfaces. There's also the smooth padded protective interior that prevents irritation and friction against the skin. The white toe box that is perfect for people whose feet are on the wider side, and the waterproof upper that's ideal for any weather condition and terrain. The moisture wicking insole top cover and poly U foam that prevents moisture buildup and eliminates odors. The fourth shoe on our list is called Louise. Did you know that you can walk comfortably and pain-free even when you're home? The mule-style, vegan-friendly Louise slippers are engineered with very unique features ones you wouldn't expect to find in slippers. The lightweight ergonomic soles cushion your every step, support and cushion the heel to relieve pressure on heel spurts, and offer stability, making walking around your home super comfortable. The soles also feature a mild rocker design that softens impact on the heel. The anatomical arch support and additional cushioning featured in the premium orthotic insoles further reduce strain on the heel. The adjustable strap helps you keep the slip-on slipper securely on your feet. You can use the removable fitting spacers that come with the shoes to get a more snug fit if the slippers are too loose. The stretchy, breathable knit fabric upper conforms to the contours of your feet for a pressure-free fit. The white toe box offers plenty of room for your toes. It's worth mentioning that podiatrists highly recommend wearing slippers around the house rather than walking barefoot to protect your feet and toes at all times. And by the way, these slippers are so comfortable and good for your feet that you may find yourself wearing them outside the home. Once again, all the shoes mentioned in this video are going to have a direct link to learn more about them in the description of this video. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.